And, if you think about like the Milgram experiments and what people will do if there's a person in a white coat telling them to do it.
Yes.
And part of like the culture.
Explain the Milgram thing so people don't know.
So the experiment was kind of like basically they come in and they're like, okay, you're here for some type of scientific experiment. I forget exactly how they described it to them, but they're testing, like negative reinforcement within learning or something like that. And so they have a guy in a white coat and he tells you every time a guy gets an answer wrong or something like this, you're supposed to push the button and it zaps him. And they keep pushing the button, and the person, you can't see him, but they're like behind a wall or something, keeps hollering in pain, and it gets worse and worse and worse. And for the experiment, I think there were a few people who like refused after a while, but the overwhelming majority of people would keep zapping them until they seemingly died. Yeah, because they stopped hollering in pain, and then they would tell him to do it again, and they would just keep doing it because there's like an authority figure here, and this guy's got a white coat on. And they kind of, in these corporate media environments, and I don't want to discount, I'm not discounting the conspiracy aspect of this, because I also think there are people within these agencies who are straight up like intelligence